Paano makakasunod ang isang bulag? Wala namang sinabi may umaakay sa kanila para masundan nila ang ating Panginoon. Totoo ba na nakasunod sila sa ating Panginoon? At totoo bang may kakayang sumunod ang isang bulag sa gusto niyang sundan kung sino man? How can they follow the Lord when they are blind? Very legit question. Very logical question. Wala kang nakikita Paano ka makakasunod? So, ang tanong, how can they follow the Lord when they are blind? Siyempre, sa bawat tanong, may sagot. Ito po ang sagot. At ito po ang catch sa tanong. Yes, they may be physically blind, but are spiritually enlightened. Ganda, no? Physically blind, but spiritually enlightened. And what does it mean, spiritually enlightened? Simple lang po. They see Jesus as their Savior and Healer. Maaari